Mag-ano tayo ng gulay. Maybe now we can be more than just friends. Just back in this life, and it feels so right. We love you this time. Yan. My daily routine in Middle East. Magsige hagpat aning mga sagbot. Paglagyan eh. Maybe now we can be more than just friends. Kape muna tayo at malamig. Just friends. Kasi kung hindi mo gawa ng technique ito, abutan ka ng 24 hours na linis nito. Nakita ko yung mga professional chef sa YouTube, paano nila linisin ito. Kaya may i-apply mo din sa sarili. Kasi ang liliit na dahon. Cute. Sa English. Wala na siguro ito. Pinakain nila ng fresh. Kasi magdadala ito sa mga may blood pressure, may diabetes. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, love on it. Will be that day. She's happy this love, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, love on me. Tapos yung mga makikita mo sa YouTube, yung mga chef talaga, mga pang dinatoppings na nila sa mga pagkain. Yung mga cute na dahon, na decor. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, sarap na kami. Love on me. Will be that day. To cry. Kala nila masarap na buhay sa abroad na ko. Parang nasa Pinas ka na lang din eh. Ganun pa rin ang hirap. Pero okay lang at least. Maganda ang sahod. Nasusuportahan mo yung pamilya mo ng maayos. Pagtapos ang mga anak mo. Lalo na't libre lahat dito. Dito, naku. Libre ka mga personal needs namin. Minsan bumibili pa kami ng makain para makakain lang. Kumbaga, middle class lang sila na buhay. Hindi sila tipong yung amo ko sa Qatar na millionaire talaga. Wala ka nang iisipin pa. Yun talaga ang nakikita kung totoong mayaman. Kasi mga royal blood sila eh. Yung sa Qatar. Yung amo ko sa Qatar is royal blood. Super yaman talaga, punyeta. Yung sports car, yung isang binata na alaga namin, may sports car na 18 sports car. My goodness. Yung mga mayayaman nga, hirap-hirap mangungutang pa ng mga sports car. Yung 18, my goodness. Iba pa yung mga Everest niya, mga pick up, ay, my goodness. Hanggang tayong mga mahihirap, picture-picture na lang. Yun talaga ang namit ko buong buhay ko na mayayaman talaga. Iwan kong nag-asawa na yun si Sheikh. Mabait pa talaga. Tapos pag nalasing, ay naku, dukot ka agad sa bulsa niya. Halos malaglag na yung mga short niya eh. Yung suot niyang short kasi puno ng pera yung mga bulsa niya. At hindi lang basta-basta pera, bandil-bandil talaga. Pag nalasing, ay tuwang-tuwa man din ang mga katulong. Abutan tig 500 riyal. Takbo ka agad sa jewelry shop at bubili ng alahas. Kakabili ka na ng alahas. 500 riyals ng Qatar nasa kulang-kulang 7,000 sa pera natin. Ang inalisan ko lang doon yung mga kapwa natin Pilipino gumagawa ng karamal-dumal at nakakahiya. Damay tayo. Sipin mo naman. 6 kaming Pinay. Tumatakas yun sila ng madaling araw. Nakikipag-meet ng mga jowa nila at saka ala jugjugan. Puro yan may husband sa Pinas. Ilocana at saka from Leyte Waray. Sabi ko, kami ngayon na walang mga husband, hindi gumagawa ng ganyan. Sa 6 kami, 2 kami walang husband. Kami pa talaga ang hindi gumagawa ng mga ganyang gawain. Sila pa gumagapang sa mga maniho doon para lang majugjugan. Bilib talaga, likas talaga, may tao talaga mahilig talaga sa anak-anak. Hindi sila mabuhay na walang lalaki ba. Pero, binabayaran naman din daw sila. Pero ang tingin ko sa kanila, talaga sila, higal talaga sila sa anak-anak. Hindi sila mabuhay na walang anak-anak ba. Walang problema lang naman kasi ang anak-anak ay exercise lang naman yan. Pero, syempre, alam mong nasa Middle East ka, di talaga maganda yung mga ganyan. Yung isang kasama namin na taga Leyte, na siya, na huli ng amo, lumaban, tapos nahuli, pina-review yung CCTV lahat. Nahuli na lumabas ng 10 oras ng gabi, madaling araw. Bago siya pina-deport, siya. In-detain muna siya sa police station ng 1 linggo mahigit bago siya dineport. Kinulong muna siya. Parang, siyempre, ako nakakaintindi ako ng salita nila. Kaya, kapag ka Friday, sila ang mga topic niya ng mga amo. Hiyang-hiya talaga para akong nabuhusan ng isang drum na ice Sa hiya, siyempre kapwa mo mahiya ka din kasi ang mindset kasi ng karamihan ng Arabo. Kung anong ginawa ng bigaon yung isa, tingin nila bigaon lahat. Kung maraming mabait, marami din ang mga bigaon ng mga kababayan natin dito. Ang masaklap pa ay madadama yung walang ginagawa. Kaya parang pagkatapos ko ng finish contract ako doon sa anak ng matanda, sa amo ko mismo, kay Sheikh. Parehong Sheikh yung pamilya ba? Parehong royal blood. Pero yung side ng amo kong lalaki, mas close na pamilya ng ng hari ng Qatar. Super yaman talaga eh. Matakot ka magpasok sa bahay eh, halos lahat may gold. Mga plato, kutsara, oh my goodness, mga takip ng kaldero, may gold. Nung natapos yung kontrata ko sa amo ko, nagpalipat ako doon kay Lola kasi lagi akong sinusuyo ni Lola na kunin niya. Nagpalipat ako doon kasi umiiwas nga ako doon sa mga kasama ko, sa mga ginagawa nila. Sus Mariosip. Paglipat ko doon, ganon din yung isang Pinay doon. Oh my goodness, ginagapang niya yung maniho. Nagulat ako hating gabi. Siya, nawawala siya ng alas 12. Saan kaya napupunta? Maganda siya, pero may maganda ang puting-puti. Tapos yung buhok niya, ang haba. Tapos ginkulayan ko pa yun ng blondie. Yung blondie ko yung buhok na mas lalo siyang gumanda. Yung Masri na maniho, malayo siya kasi yung mansion ni Lola nasa gitna ng 10 hectares na puno ng dates palibot yung 10 hectares na yun, tapos garden, mga gulay, lahat ng gulay nandoon. Tapos bakit nagtataka ako, bakit lagi siyang nawawala alas 12 eh, alas 10 pasok na kami lahat, alas 11 ready to sleep na ako. Bakit nawawala? Hanggang alas 12 ako nanonood ng YouTube. Bakit alas 12? Hanggang alauna wala pa siya. Hala. Kunwari ako matulog-tulog. Kunwari tulog. Inaantay ko talaga pagbalik niya. Tapos pagpasok niya, oh my goodness. Ang daming yung patay na dahon yung buhok niya. Daming patay na dahon ng bulaklak yung buhok niya ba. Sabi ko, punyeta ka, saan ka galing? Sabi niya, doon, siya, nakangisi. Kasi tapos na pala na ana-ana, hayop. Sabi ko, saan ka? Inano ko talaga, pinilit ko talaga na magsabi. Sus, nandoon siya galing sa maniho na Masri. Kaya pala nakita ko yung gallery niya, puno ng picture ng lalaki at saka butot. Yung ari ng lalaki, ginasin sa kanya. Naku, Mariosip. Sabi ko, bakit nyo kayang gawin yan? May mga husband kayo sa Pilipinas. Kaya nung after 3 months noon, parang hindi ko talaga kaya yung pinagagawa nila. Ako natatakot kasi yung CCTV buong mansion 18. Baka magkataon ba na mahuli siya. Yung mga royal blood, delikado talaga. Lahat pwede lang gawin. Kahit mababait sila, pero alam mo na, huwag mong galitin. tanggalin ito. Grabe yan. Kung hindi lang sila nagpasaway noon, wala talaga. After 5 years pa sana ako aalis doon. Kasi maganda ang pasahod talaga, ang benepisyo, binibigay nila lahat. Tapos daming hadiah, daming nagbibigay regalo. Tapos napaka-enjoy doon kapag Ramadan. Oh, ganda. Wow. Party talaga na bonggang-bongga. Kung gaano ka bongga naman yung amo ko doon sa Qatar noon, ganun din dito kasalat. Pero okay lang, ganun talaga ang buhay, hindi lahat mayaman. Ginaganyan ko lang para kasi kung isa-isahin mo, tapos hanapin ko lang yung mga tuyo na dahon. Kung isa-isahin mo na ko, bukas ka pa matapos. Yung kasama kong India, ang tagal umakyat. Kasi nagbakasyon yung kasama ko dito na naka-assign kay Lola, kaya Parsi. Grabe, sobrang yaman talaga ang mga taong yun. Dito kasi sa Middle East, kapag ka-Sheikh, royal blood, halos lahat yung mga business nila dyan sa city, sila ang may-ari niyan. At saka yung, alam mo ba yung yung monthly allowance ng isang Sheikh na bata galing sa gobyerno? Monthly yan ha, almost 500,000 sa pera natin ang monthly na. Kasi kapag dito kasi sa Middle East, kapag kasilang ng isang bata, kahit mga ordinaryong mamamayan meron, pero hindi pareho yung allowance nila galing sa gobyerno kalaki. Mas malaki ang sa mga royal blood. Pag silang pa lang nila, may mga card na yan sila, may mga credit cards na yan sila. Tapos doon na pumapasok yung monthly allowance na galing sa gobyerno. Sipin mo yan, almost 500,000. Kaya nilang ang isang bata na, kasi may alaga kami mga bata, 3. Kambal yung panganay. Doon sa una kong amo. Lumipat ako kay Lola. Kaya niyang kumuha ng kahit 2 dosinang yaya niya. Ganun sila kayaman. Ang ginagawa, ang alam ko niyan, sabi ng mga nauna dito na mga matagal na mga Pinay, hindi yan kinukuha ng ng pamilya. Yung pera nila, iniimbak nila yan sa bangko, binabangko. Tapos pag withdraw lang yan nila kapag nag-asawa na yung anak na lalaki. Grabe ang bongga yan nila magkasal. Halos pagmamayari ang lang buong Middle East. Alas 12 na. Wala pa rin yung India na ungas. She's like in his life. Yung nauna ko namang amo dito sa, kasi una kong abroad, nag-Kuwait ako. Tapos, naka 3 years mahigit ako doon sa matanda. Nag-alaga ako ng matanda. Retired nurse, Kuwaiti, Iraqi yung lahi niya. Dito sa Kuwait. Tapos, umuwi ako ng Pinas after 3 years mahigit. Nagnegosyo. Ang saklap naman, mabuti na lang at nakabalik ako ng apply pa Qatar. Kasi coming na pala ang COVID. Naku, pag naabutan ng COVID sa Pinas at nagninegosyo ka, yung negosyo ng pamilya ko, ang laki-laking grocery, nasarado nga, di kinaya. Ang laking perwisyo talaga yung COVID noon. During COVID kasi nasa Qatar ako eh. Tapos nang umuwi ako after 2 years and a half, na-quarantine pa ako doon sa Manila. Maybe not it can be more than just fine. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time. Nung nasa Qatar ako, na-scam ako ng yung mga online business. Naku po, shout out sa lahat ng mga OFW. Wag talaga kayong magsali-sali dyan. Maubos pera mo. Talo ako nasa 80,000. Nakabig ko yung talo ako nasa 80,000 plus yung na-invest ko. Nabawi ko yung nasa 30 plus. Nasa 50 yung talo ko. Naka-withdraw ka ng 2-3 beses, hindi mo na mahagilap yung mga team leader eh. Iatat na atat ka naman kasi syempre gusto mo din na easy money. Una-una, pag-aganahan ka muna nila, makaka-withdraw ka muna. mga ilang withdraw Mariusip. Hindi na nagre-reply yung mga team leader. The company is legit talaga ang company, pero ang naga-scam dyan yung mga team leader. Hindi mo na siya mahagilap once na i-block ka niya. Kaya pagdating sa pera, lalo na mga OFW, kailangan magiging wise kayo. Huwag kayong magbigay ng pera na online nyo lang nakilala. Kasi lang beses ko na yan na experience. Ngayon ay kahit singkong duling, hindi na sila makatikim sa akin. Napapagod na sila, sige, invite sa akin sa online eh. Tingnan niyo yung mga ibang OFW. Tumatanda na lang sa abroad, walang ipon dahil dyan sa kakasali sa mga online business. Huwag kayong sumali dyan, parang awa nyo. Sayang yung mga pera nyo. Okay lang maputi pa, ibili nyo ng mga alahas. Ay, salamat. Tapos na. Hindi natin basura yan. Next. They can be more than just friends. She's back in his life. Itong kasama ko ay sarap man anuhin eh. Kahit narinig niya may naga-doorbell. Antay pa siyang may lumabas na iba. Yung ugali ba, mga Indian national, karamihan yan sa kanila yung isipan ba, bibilang ng trabaho. Tulad sa ating mga Pilipino na may bayad man o wala, basta makatulong. Tsaka hindi talaga nagbibilang ng trabaho. Simulat sa ayaw ko talaga makasama yung mga lahing yan. Yung makwenta ba? Kasi kung isa-isahin mo na po, naputan tayo ng ito siya, ibang variety ng spinach. Kasi magluluto daw si Lola ng marak sabji. Lahat ng klaseng dahon, tapos karne. Ang sarap man din. Tapos olive oil. Ang nagpapalinamnam nun, yung olive oil. Marak sabji. Ganito lang mga technique kapag wala kang kasama. Tapos yung kasama ko ngayon, ang bagal paspagong. Kaya gawan ko na lang ng paraan para mabilis yung trabaho namin. Isa lang kasi yung kusina namin 3 pamilya. Ito na lang. Tatarin to siya ng pino lahat for debye machine. Maya mag-upload ako ng ano. Kapag nagluto si Lola ngayon, mag-upload ako ng luto na.
How about you, Mama? Mama, how about you?
I'm good. I'm always good.
Mama, I forget also this one. How to call this?
Chupti. What you want, Sawi? Hadahap naman na.
Yesterday, buy this one in the house. You don't tell, you tell. Put up, bring up.
No, don't remove from that. Don't remove here.
You put freezer. Put it camera.
Ada avocado, less freezer. Bikin kerapan. Ada she ate ada for salad.
No, come up. You bring them. Before, don't put in the car. I like Mama chapati.
I cook one.
Huh?
I cook one.
Really?
Ada different.
Yeah. They seem good.
Okay. Sim-sim ada perata. Perata chapati.
Huh?
Sim-sim.
No, this is good. Shape.
Syukuri, I want until you come early because too much kudra. Very easy. I didn't make iron because the kudra too much.
Yeah.
Inshallah kalas. Have snow today? 3 days ago have snow?
Oh, yeah, Mama tell some place.
I didn't see the news if have snow or too much cold. My hand, let's not be hot water na the pusit Russell. My hand become ice, my hand.
I open it.
Ada connected to barada sa? Adi hot water?
Yeah.
Because you off the barada before?
Which side come hot water, which side come cold water, right?
After 5 minutes, adi coming.
After 5 minutes?
Eh,
Ah.
from down. If have. I opened last night, Mapi. Sabi marak sabji.
Para anak po.
Muskila. Had it too much time. Maybe for Friday.
This chicken is Sunday?
Gara.
Lemon to
Sharmila
take
Sawi.
this one.
Adi good.
Yeah, I like.
Maybe tomorrow I make adi, sisma. I make again because I want adi adi badinjan. Badinjan, cauliflower, batata, chicken, onion, garlic, ginger, baad carrot, mapi carrot, no lason. Badin have bell pepper, the hello. I make before in Qatar, everybody eat.
Mm-hmm. This is fish. Oh, kill.
Sharmila have dosa, but the frying pan is not good for dosa. Becomes sticky. Nililipid ko to kasi ginagawa pang basura. Sayang kasi makapal. She's back in his life and it feels alright. Maybe this time love won it. Sino hadi English Russell? Hadi Kodra? Hadi Toil Kodra? This one?
I don't know that.
Mapi Patura here. That's why I didn't know. I want to see Patura. Sino name? Maybe nothing can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels alright.
गाली तेल तो Sharmila. In the night, make puri. I buy flour.
Puri.
Yeah. Puri and chicken curry, nice.
Make chicken curry today. Puri. Sada kisbar. Up kisbar. I really love the chicken curry if have coriander. Mabit coriander. Oh,
Yeah, coriander. Coriander pea.
too much. Maybe now they can be more than just friends.
Coriander. Chicken curry inside. Very nice. Looking taste sucks.
Puri puri.
Good, healthy.
She feel like Mary here. Sawi istri hadi wajid. Masya Allah. Shalon anak oti.
Badan sangat timus kita.
Sino badin. My goodness. Oh my goodness. Maybe this time, la 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 la, and they're fine. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time. I call Mary buddy. How are you, Mary? Tapi close. You tell.
Mary?
I
Dog?
don't know.
Mary, how? I don't know, Mary. Especially this kind of people I don't like. How many days Mary go? Now 2 years working, but then you go now we call, we want money. If you talk, they will angry, must. You take also salary.
I tell her I don't want to involve this kind of matters. I tell her before, if you go suffer, but then mapichidi, too much muskila ka.
I know. But especially I say
It's
Mary
better
too much.
she's here. She can support her. But then if nobody help, ada to baby, so stop.
Mary
I
baby,
don't like chili.
Mary's son another one not working. Mary also no tell something. In the house eat, nice eat.
Shopee, the last salary she sent because no have price. Oh, muskila.
If you Mary she no working, she no sawi hada, but then.
But then ada taban ada rejalsa. But then mapiba work. I tell her, when you go supper, you find a stone, so which you dig, tuk, 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 Shopee. I didn't mistaken. Everything happened.
Now, if Mama, if you tell Gaily about money, too much angry, come inside. How many days ago?
100%.
I said to Mary almost 300 kg, 200 something. How much? 200, how much kg I said to Mary? Huh? She knows how too much money.
Ada Rosa Russell, if you don't know how to manage your money, only 1 week ada finish.
No.
Sino sabi ada people, sabi party.
No, must
She
she
did.
understand?
But then if she have a problem, when ada banat, she didn't
No,
understand like
must
this.
Mary, she
Mapi.
understand. I don't have
Mapi,
salary.
Winnie.
I don't have salary. I have only this money. I want to make party.
I don't know what kind of mindset people like this. In my place, we didn't
I don't like
say
kind of people like this.
at a different place. In my place, no. My daughter have birthday. Only eat outside, bus.
Oh, see, Mary have daughter have all party, nice dress, all.
But then tomorrow, ma-rice. When na banat, sawi akil. Give help? No. There's some mindset like this, sawi change. Adi people, if you have money, okay. If you don't have money, entikak ka.
কারণে যদি কোনো সমস্যা হয় আমার আব্বা আম্মা তো আমার জানাইবেন না আব্বা আমি তো চিন্তা করব আপনি আমার একটু জানাই দিন
আমি অবশ্যই জানাবো বাবা তুমি কোনো চিন্তা করো না তুমি সাবধানে যাও পারলে সব কথা আমি তোমার জানাবো বাবা তুমি খালি আমার এই মনটুর কথাটা একটু মাথায় রেখো
ঠিক আছে আম্মা স্বামী হিসেবে আমাকে যখন তোমার সবচেয়ে বেশি দরকার তখনই আমি তোমার ছেড়ে অনেক দূরে চলে যেতেছি এমন অযোগ্য স্বামী আমি কি করুন কম আমার প্রবাসী জীবনটাই আমি ছুটি শেষ হয়ে গেলে সব ফালায় চলে যেতে হয় সবার মুখে হাসি ফোটানোর জন্য সবাই ভালো রাখার জন্য
Nutrition mo, sabi Mary.
আমি জানি আমি সবার মুখে হাসি ফোটাতে পারলেও
Anak ko, lasang media, sura-sura.
তোমার মনে কষ্ট
Sinasabi
দিয়ে
mo, Philippines.
আমার মাফ করে দিও
আপনি আমার স্বামী আমার কাছে মাপ চাই আমার অপরাধী বানায়
Mapipas kila hadi party piplos.
যাতে আপনার বাবা হলে
Bas chidi hadi piplos. Oh, my goodness.
মুখ দেখাতে পারি আমি দোয়া করি
Sabi party hada very
যাতে এই
expensive.
শেষ দেখা না হয়
Mas kulo plus gati. But then tomorrow,
ছোট খালা
sim hadi sisma. Bigger.
খালা মারা যায় আমি যদি মরে যাই আমার মাফ করে দিয়ে
তোমার কিছু হলো না পারো তোমার কিছু হলো না
Ada daughter, masim ana daughter. Ana sabi foto sabi foto ada shoes ada jacket chidi ada agar I send to my daughter. Ana go, you choose what you want, what you like this. She no reply, don't worry mama, I have agarat, I have stuff. Don't worry,
Mary daughter,
no need hadi.
send this one laptop, this
Abi hadi, semua ada. That's why I'm very lucky for my daughter.
কেউ চায় না আমি দেশে থাকি
ঠিক আছে ক্লারা
Handbag no working. I said, Mary, why no working? When you notice something? So it's okay, I said, it's okay, it's her life.
Mapi mini. Kulo mapi. Anabol, if you go to
You see?
Saper, even you have 1 million.
Yeah.
If you don't know how to manage, kalas. Tomorrow kalas.
You see, Mary, this one, you see, 2 months, she come, you see.
Yes.
If your money
I
finish.
know. I tell her. Yala reject. Sinasabi.
She tell to you, she want money to borrow Mama Namno.
tell if you want. I don't want to be involved.
She don't have money. Mama naman. Before buy too much thing. She now no have money. Who from where give money?
She always tell before, don't worry, I didn't have skill.
Tell me also, son have work. Don't worry.
Only have a same salary, Mary, sa rent room, akil, internet, fare every day for taxi. We not plus mapi. Skill. I know everything hada Manila because I live in Manila almost 10 years. All plus gati-gati every day. If you live in Manila, no problem if you live in province, not in the city.
Israel. Isn't that something? Times have changed. Your ancestors must be really proud of you.
This broccoli boil or no fresh?
Fresh.
No boil?
No.
You go on how many days? Now finish money. How much money I send? I show you. How much KD? No little money, girl. This is too much money.
Oh, lubat.